Phoenix Radio, your student radio station.
Right then, joining us in the studio like always, right? I was going to say like usual then, but that doesn't really make sense, is Mr. F. How are you doing over there, Mr. F?
I'm really well, thank you, Luke.
Are you doing alright over there, Tom? Wait, I've forgotten your microphone, haven't I?
He looks tired.
That's because I've just been doing some exercise
On
on a Friday
the
afternoon.
bicycle.
On the bicycle.
A bicycle ride.
Doing a bit of spinning.
Yeah.
I enjoyed it.
It's quite good, isn't
I
it?
enjoyed it a lot.
It's quite hard, actually, isn't
It's
it?
a little bit better because last week you come into the studio, you had all mud all over your clothes.
Yeah,
It's
well,
nice to see you a little bit more cleaner.
How come you
this
don't do
week.
why come you don't do that anymore then? Was it because it's too wet?
No. We had some students who went out in the mud,
Yeah.
and some students who stayed in for different reasons. So I stayed in with them and did some spinning instead.
Fair enough.
Fair enough. So anyway, Mr. F is in here for one reason and one reason only, to play today's true or false quiz. As you can probably imagine, very, very simple. I've got some true or false questions for Tom and Mr. F over there, and they've got around about a minute to answer all of these questions. And Mr. F, as he's a mathematician, will do a bit of maths and work out who's winning and the scores.
Don't talk too much about the
Yeah,
math.
Oh,
because
yeah,
we asked him about.
I'm
We
still
asked
upset
him
about
about.
last week.
Can pi be turned into a whole fraction? And he said 7 over 22.
La, 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 la,
He may have said the wrong
Unfortunately,
answer.
he got it wrong.
Not listening.
Right, are we ready to go for this then?
Yeah, let's do it.
Here we go, let's go. Question 1 for Tom. An object will accelerate in the direction of the resultant force.
True.
Leading on from that question, the smaller the force, the greater the acceleration. True or false?
False.
The Eiffel Tower was a gift from a friendship from Australia to France.
True.
False.
No.
Someone is born in the US every 8 seconds.
Yeah, that's probably true.
These are your final questions. It is impossible to hum with your mouth open.
Now you're gonna try it, aren't you?
Yeah, it's true. No, false.
Oh, I'm gonna have to take your first answer,
No,
Tom.
no, no.
Yes.
I did. No,
And the
you
final
can't do that.
question for Mr. F is, 1 billion years ago, days on Earth were only about 18 hours long.
Yeah, I reckon that's true.
I can tell you, Mr. F, you are correct.
That is unfair because I said it before the time was up.
I always
Well,
take
yeah,
your
your
first
first
answer.
First answer.
Always the first
That's
answer. We had it with Mr. F last
unfair.
week, didn't we? With the maths question, so I always,
No,
most
we
always.
stuck with 7 over 22.
Do you want to tell the score? So,
No, I'm alright. I'm alright.
Go on, Tom,
You
let's
can tell
go
it.
for it.
No, I'm not doing it. I refuse.
Tom got 1 out of 3. I got 3 out of 3. It's all good in the land of Quiz Town.
Yeah.
It's not good. It's not good.
Oh, yes.
It's not good.
Oh, Mr. F, you've won this
Not
week.
good.
Congratulations.
I think I'm gonna have to
Which,
leave now. I don't like this.
Which sort of means that between Tom and I, when it's just been Tom and I in the studio, I'm now on 30 and Tom is on 26.
So you're very, very close. There's only 4 difference if I'm doing my maths right.
Do we need to make an honourable mention for Miss Monday? Miss
I-
M?
Oh yeah,
I think we
unfortunately
should.
she could not be here today. It is her birthday as well, so we just like to say happy birthday, don't we?
Happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday.
Happy
Sam.
birthday. So yeah, I hope she has a great time. I bet I missed our little.
She probably is missing it.
I don't think she'd have done as well as us. I don't think.
I don't
Oh,
know.
like quite a few maths, physics-based questions.
I did actually-
She's an English teacher, so.
I did prepare a few nice questions for her, because I knew it was her birthday and mine and stuff
You
like
were
that.
trying to fix it up for her to win.
Yeah.
Anyway, thank you very much, Mr. F, for joining us in the studio. Great to have you.
Thank you, Luke. Great to
and
be here.
Tom for coming along as well.
Thank you.
Have a great weekend, everybody.
Have a great
Yeah.
weekend, and it's time for our next song.